大家好，我来喽。I'm your Chinese friend Nora. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning our very first Chinese greeting. 你好，美女. Hello, gorgeous. Let's take a look at what we are going to learn today. For vocabulary, we will learn how to greet people in Chinese, some simple phrases that you can use in daily life. As for culture, we have two interesting topics. First, how the Chinese people sing hello in letters. And the second one is how Asian Chinese people used animals to transport the letters. So, by the end of this lesson, you will know some useful greetings and get a glimpse into some fascinating Chinese traditions. Let's dive in. Before we start, here's a fun twist. In China, it's very common to call strangers beautiful or handsome, but don't worry, this is not sexual harassment. It's just a friendly and polite way to address someone, like saying sir or miss in English, but a more casual and warm way. You will hear it in restaurants, shops, or on the street. So, next time you hear people calling you 美女 or 帅哥, just smile. It's a cultural habit, not a flirt. But if you ever want or 1.4 billion people calling you handsome or beautiful, now you know exactly where to go. Alright. First up, 你好，美女, which literally means hello, gorgeous. 你好 means hi or hello. 美女 literally means beautiful woman, but in daily life it's often used to greet women in a friendly and playful way. Repeat after me, please. 你好，美女。你好，美女。你好，美女。The second one is 你好，帅哥, which means hello, handsome. 帅哥 literally means handsome guys. It's a casual, friendly way to greet men. So these greetings are not only polite, but also fun, personal. You might hear them in parks, shops, or among friends. Repeat after me, please. 你好，帅哥。你好，帅哥。你好，帅哥。你好，帅哥。Next, 您好. Instead of saying 你, we say 您好. This is a polite and formal version of hello. Use it with elders, teachers, or bosses. Just think of it as a super respectful hello, ma'am, hello, sir. 您好，您好，您好。Next, 你们好，你们好，你们好。This one means hello everyone or hi all, perfect when you are greeting a group of people. Repeat after me, please. 你们好，你们好，你们好。Alright, let's look at some other ways to say hello in Chinese. First, we have hi, which just like hi in English, casual and friendly, you can use it anywhere in daily life. Hi, hi, hi. Next is hello. Hello sounds like hello and is used in everyday situation like meeting friends or chatting online. Hello, 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 hello. In ancient China, people couldn't just call or text each other, so they wrote letters. They wanted the people who received this letter to feel like they were really there. That's why they often begin with 见字如面, which means saying your words is like seeing you in person. 见字如面. Repeat after me, please. 见字如面。见字如面。见字如面。But then a question arises. How do you get the letter to someone far away in ancient China? Well, clever ancient Chinese discovered that pigeons could find their way home even over long distance, so they invented 飞鸽传书, which means sending letters by carrier pigeons. 飞鸽传书，飞鸽传书，飞鸽传书。飞 is fly, 鸽 is pigeon, 传 is transport, 书 means letters. 飞鸽传书. Okay, here's how it worked. People would train the pigeons and take them when they traveled. When they wanted to send a message back, they tied the letter to a pigeon's leg, and the pigeon would fly straight home. So, reading a letter wasn't just about words. It was a little piece of the sender's presence traveling across miles, which makes 见字如面 even more poetic and meaningful. Here I'm going to show you a video to see how it works. Alright, let's do a quick review of today's greetings. A quick tip for the colors. Blue ones, you should try to speak it. For the orange one, you just need to know what it means. 你好，美女。你好，美女。你好，美女。你好，帅哥。你好，帅哥。你好，帅哥。您好，您好，您好。你们好，你们好，你们好。嗨，嗨，嗨。Hello, hello, hello. 见字如面，见字如面，见字如面。飞鸽传书，飞鸽传书，飞鸽传书。Let's review the culture question from the last video. The question was, in China, your Chinese friend Nora invites you to play 象棋. Which of the following statements are correct? Let's look at each options. A. It is an indoor game that you will not see people playing outside. This is not correct. 象棋 is often played outdoors, in parks, or even on the street, and people can also play it indoors, so it's incorrect. And B, it can be played outdoors, in parks or streets. This one is correct. And C, the middle river, 楚河汉界, is to honor a historic struggle. This one is correct. The river on the border represents the historical boundary between the Chu and Han states. And the last one. The game is very modern and was invented in the 20th century. It's not correct. 象棋, Chinese chess, is a traditional game with a long history that goes back to many centuries. So the correct answers are B and C. Got it? Now, it's time for today's culture question. In China, when you hear a shop assistant calls you handsome or beautiful, you'd better think that A. I'm so good looking, she likes me. B. She's making fun of me, how rude. Or C. Never mind, she's just using a casual way to address me. Or D. This is sexual harassment, I need my lawyer. Drop your answers in the comments below and let me know what you think about my videos. Thanks for joining me today. If you had fun and want to learn more about Mandarin, internet slang, or Chinese culture, make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you!